Want to understand what a pre-chorus is, and in as short time as possible? This is the video for you. Let's try to break it down in under a minute. So essentially, a pre-chorus is the setup to the punchline that is the chorus, because it's a pre-chorus, not a post-verse. That being said, it does tend to lie in between a verse and a chorus, so you can sort of think of it like a bridge that goes from your verse to your chorus. I personally think that a really helpful way to think of a pre-chorus is as a semi-song section rather than a full song section, because they often are short compared to verses, choruses, and bridges. And very often musically, it avoids the one chord and does other things to make sure to set up the chorus for success, because you want your chorus to pop, so your pre-chorus is essentially setting it up so that the punchline of your chorus is delivered really well. The music almost always repeats, so the melody and the chords will be the same every time, but the lyrics often will be different for every pre-chorus. But sometimes they also are the same for every pre-chorus, making them sort of like a chorus in that it repeats both musically and lyrically, but in this case it's just a small section that's meant to set up the chorus. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, something you'll definitely find helpful is my ultimate song section cheat sheet, because it breaks down every song section in terms like this with basic bullet points that are really easy to understand, but also it contains a bunch of songs with song stamps so that you can follow along, listen to songs that I'm sure you've heard before, and get a breakdown of like, okay, at 1:52, it just turned to the chorus. 2:07, that's when the bridge started. So you can listen along and learn to hear these things rather than just intellectually knowing them. So if that seems like something that will be helpful to you, be sure to check it out. songwritertheory.com/song sections. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll talk to you in the next one.